What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding solving radical equations. First example is square root of 6m plus 1 plus 4 equals to 8. Answer is square root of 6m plus 1 equals to 8 minus 4. You move 4 to the right hand side, it will be negative, so 8 minus 4 is 4. Then we have square root of 6m plus 1 equals to 4. Then I squared both sides. When you square both sides, square and square root cancel out. It will be 6m plus 1. And here we have 4 squared, which is 16. Then we have 6m equals to 16 minus 1, which is 15. And then m will be equal to 15 divided by 6. And if we reduce it, it's going to be 5 divided by 2. Next example, we have root 2n minus 3 plus 2 equals to 0. Answer is root 2n minus 3 equals to negative 2. Then we squared both sides. It will be 2n minus 3 equals to negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is 4. Then we have 2n equals to 4 plus 3, which is 7. So n will be 7 over 2. Next example, we have square root of 5u minus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. Answer is 5u minus 2 equals to negative 5. Then we squared both sides. We have then 5u minus 2. Why? Because 2 and square root cancel each other. And here I have negative 5 squared is 25. Then we have 5u equals to 25 plus 2, which is 27. And u will be equal to 27 divided by 5. Or we can say that's equals to 5.4. Next example is square root of 3v minus 5 plus 2 equals to 0. Answer will be 3v minus 5 equals to negative 2. Then we square both sides. It will be 3v minus 5 equals to 4. Then we can say 3v equals to 4 plus 5, which is 9. Then v will be 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Next example is square root of 2z plus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. Answer will be 2z plus 1 equals to negative 4. Then we squared both sides. Then we'll have 2z plus 1 equals to 16. Then we can say 2z equals to 16 minus 1, which is 15. Then z will be 15 divided by 2, or 7.5. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots, radical equations, and some other topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.